Well, good morning. It's not good morning. It's afternoon on the East Coast here in Westchester, Pennsylvania. Lisa here. Hey, welcome everybody. We're doing our Saturday check-in at QVC. I'm backstage. That's why you see all this backstage stuff behind me. But we are on In the Kitchen with Mary today on QVC2. We're having so much fun. We have 3 clearance items that are amazing. Only order of the year, actually retiring, never coming back again for all of them. So, because they're clearance, so that's what makes it so great. But let me give a shout out to some people who have just joined. Hi, Jen. Hi, Matthew. Hi, Marissa. Hi, Monica. Hi, Kate. Everybody, happy Saturday. What are you guys up to today? It's a beautiful day here in Westchester, Pennsylvania. The sun is shining bright. It's like high 80 degrees. I hope it's really nice where you are. Hi, Erin. Hi, Susan. Hi, Karen. Hi, Jeannie. I can't tell you how much Tara and Bryn and I appreciate that you guys jump on these Facebook Lives with us, take time out of your busy schedules just to give us a hello. It makes us all really smile, and we thank you. Hi, Brenda. Hi, Joyce. Hi, Daphne. Hi, Phyllis. Let's give a big shout out to Tara and Ed. And to Bryn, let's say hello to the rest of the team that's not here today. Tara will be here tomorrow with something brand new that you have been waiting for. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. So hi Carol, hi Kim, hi Susie. I'm actually going to turn the camera around. I want to show you one item that I just had on with Mary, In the Kitchen with Mary on QVC2. One of our 3 clearance items. Hey Terry, how are you doing? Hi Marty. Oh, it's raining in Chicago, Marty? I'm sorry. And Anne, I love Columbus, Ohio too. We love Columbus, Ohio. Hi, Lynn. This is actually fantastic. Hi, Karen. Now I'm going to do what I said I was going to do. I'm going to actually flip this camera around. So this set of 3 platters, you get a 14, you get a 16, and you get an 18-inch platter. And by the way, I'm showing you Ocean Fetty, but it actually just sold out. That's how quickly this is going. But you get 3 of them that all nest together. And what I love about this is like it's platter season, right? Because all the holidays are coming up, but these are platters that, you know, they're just so pretty. So I'm just going to give you a quick look at all the colors. I'm going to stop where it's super limited. Cranberries are limited, just so that you know. The blacks are limited, but I just wanted to show you all the colors that we have left, because when you're thinking platters and you just kind of need those things for this time of the year, it's just perfect. So hi Renee, hi Mary, hi Debbie. I'm going to walk over to another side backstage here at QVC. We're getting ready to go back on air with Mary. I wanted to show you a few things because, you know, it's the 31 Days of Temptations. So just in case you missed our mini series, at 7 p.m. every Wednesday night in August, we have an hour show. Our hour show this week is with Alberti Popage. We're so excited about that. Oh, and by the way, we have another hour show on August 25th at 4 p.m. with Alberti as well. Limited edition, Christmas, a lot of things you haven't even seen yet, so you don't want to miss that out. And then we're going to end up the month on the 28th of August with a live studio audience at QVC, and we're so excited about that. I want to give a couple hellos. Hi Kim, hi Christopher, hi Janice, hi Amanda, hi Christy. It's great to see you all, and happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I want to just remind you about a few things. I'm going to flip the camera around, okay? Our basket weave dinnerware set that we are retiring is on an amazing value. I'm going by memory. I think it's under $60. It's crazy. And you get all these pieces, the dinner plate, the salad plate, the pedestal bowl, the bread plate, the bowl, and there's lots of color choices, even seasonal. So don't miss out. Terry, I love this mini series too, right? I wish we could kind of do this every month. It's a lot of fun. Hi, oh my gosh, so many people joining. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Dawn. Let me go to the next thing that I want to show you. Did you see our seasonal 5-piece set? So we kind of did this as a test, just so you know. We brought this utensil set. This, you know, you have the great silicone. Both sides, it has the beautiful harvest pattern and the stainless steel, but we brought it in the seasonal pattern so that you have it for all of your holidays. But super excited about that. Hold on, Terry Smith, are you coming to the show on the 28th? My gosh, that'll be so much fun. And the 25th as well, an awesome show. Then over here, we also have utensils that we've never done before in bamboo. And I just want to show you, look how pretty. We did the old world and the floral lace design. And then we did awesome silicone handles, so things just slide right off of it. And we did things like a spatula, a pasta fork. I love this for ravioli and for veggies. And then we did a ladle. and we did a slotted spoon. So awesome, right? I know, Terry, isn't it beautiful, the dinnerware? Christina, bringing them in all the patterns. Okay. And then just in case you missed this one, it's our 2-quart lidded pitcher. This actually has a lid, but I wanted to show you how beautiful it is as a vase, or you can put all these utensils into that pitcher. So there's so many great things that you can do with all of our pieces, as you know, super versatile. But we're about halfway through our month of the 31 Days of Temptations. So are you guys enjoying it? I'd love to hear in your comments what your favorite items are and what you'd love to see more of, but you haven't seen it all yet. Just so you know, we've had to hold back a few surprises, especially on the 25th. So you definitely want to stay tuned every Sunday in the kitchen with David, every Wednesday in the kitchen with David, and of course our hour show right before then at 7 p.m. and then of course in the kitchen with Mary. We have our schedule up on our website, temptations.com. You just click on the QVC calendar, and we don't know when everything is going to go live, but you can find it out there as soon as we do. So hi Wanda, hi Jeannie. It's really nice of you all to jump on here on a Saturday, so thank you very much. I'm going to go back because we're back on with the glass cart that is on clearance. Have you seen our etched glass cart? It's about half off on clearance, and it's amazing colors, including white, which I love for my home. So check it out. Hi, Janice. Wish you could put Easy Pay. We don't have, Janice, unfortunately, we don't have any control over that. We don't have any control over Easy Pay or when actually items would be presented. So that's why we ask you to stay tuned to our calendar. Hi, Lorene. Hi, Jeannie. Oh my gosh, this is great. All right, everybody have a fantastic Saturday. I'm going to leave you with this. Did you know tomorrow is National Fajita Day? So Tara adores Mexican food. So National Fajita Day and National Ice Cream Pie Day. I think that's a pretty good combo, don't you? Everybody have a fantastic Saturday. Check in with Tara tomorrow. She's going to check in with you and give you a sneak peek of the new and what's going on tomorrow on In the Kitchen with David. But everybody had a great weekend. Love you all, and we'll see